Good afternoon, my friends. We are coming to you once again from Olympic National Park, and this time from almost a mile high. We're 5,240 feet above sea level at the Hurricane Ridge Visitor Center. And the road is open today, and we made ourselves a trip up here to show you how much snow there is up above in the high country, and there's still a ton. Lots of snow here at the Big Meadow, and what we're going to do is give you a panorama, some of the shots I took with the Nikon camera, and give you some of the close-ups on the distant peaks around the panorama from Hurricane Ridge. That's all for today from Hurricane Ridge in Olympic National Park. Until next time, thanks for watching.